Hello everyone, this is Brian Leduc, and it's been a while since I uploaded. I'm trying to figure out a way I can squeeze everything in, like work on a comic, work on video tutorials, work on my website. So I was trying to find a way to prioritize, and I decided Wednesdays are going to be the days I work on my video tutorials. It doesn't mean that I'll be uploading every day on Wednesdays, but Wednesdays is when I'm going to work towards different video tutorials or Affinity Designer tutorials. So speaking of such, I came up with 8 different ideas for an Affinity Designer tutorial. Affinity or tutorials or just something on Affinity Designer. So these are the 8 ideas I came up with, and so let me know which one you'd like to see first. So let me know which one you're interested in, so I know to work on that video first. These are just some ideas I thought of, so I'm going to try to get them out there. So just let me know.